Okay, Rob here once again with Smart Profit Money. I'm here to give you a quick overview on how a free ebook can get you more sales and more opt-ins. So if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and get started. You should be able to see my pointer on screen. Okay, let's jump right into this. But first off, I do have my list here. Let me tell you what we're going to be going over on this video so you guys know what you are in for. We're going to go into the actual software that I use to build custom ebooks with one click, and it makes this beautiful 3D image and puts live links inside the PDF. That's right. You heard me right. I don't use any kind of little ebook. I use a customized ebook that's going to blow you guys away. Okay. And I did a video on this a while back, but I thought I'm going to talk about this more and show you how you should be setting up your own website blogs or the section that's like this. So let me show you what I'm talking about. We're on Smart Profit Money blog. Here it is here. You've probably seen this website before. Let me scroll down. As you can see, I built a section. Now, a section versus a sidebar little widget that says opt-in. What's the big, difference here? And the difference is you're offering more value on a section because you can tell them, hey, look, I'm asking you to opt in. The person is saying basically why, who is this person? Can I trust them? What do they do? Blah, 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 right? We're going to give them a free ebook. It says you're going to receive my free ebook. They can learn about me and watch my video here. This is on the course. And right here, I talk about myself, and they could follow me here and see my follow links, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, all that stuff. And then they opt in. As soon as they opt in, they receive the ebook. It happens that quick. Bam, instantly they're put on my autoresponder list, and it's going to start sending them whatever I have, excuse me, I have set up. Hopefully my voice doesn't give out here. Okay, so that's how that works. This is a section compared to a sidebar. So let's go inside and I'll show you what I'm saying now. This is the way I do my sidebars. I use custom widgets, custom little images that do strange things here. As you can see, blinking and all this stuff. So I actually give this away. So if you guys want one of these, I'm going to give you one. Okay, just click on how I did that and click on free affiliate opt-in widget and it's yours. Okay, so I created this one here and I created these, and of course I'm a graphics artist, so I do all this custom stuff. Now, if you scroll down here, keep your eye on this widget here. You can see that it's floating and it's never going to go away. It doesn't matter what they do. They can go up and down in this page. That's going to help me get more opt-ins. Of course, the way you set yours up, it's up to you. That's just the way I do mine. I do all this custom tricked out stuff. I do a lot of testing. I know what works and what doesn't work. So that's how I end up on all this crazy, what should we call it? Designs. Yeah. Okay, so when they click here, they end up here. It's going to tell them to access their ebook. They click here and they get a little pop-up. And if they try to exit out, it's going to pop up on them anyhow. So that's how they actually get the ebook. Now let me go ahead and show you the custom ebook here. And you can see this here. Let me go ahead and scroll up. Earlier I was trying to film this and I made a mistake. So I want to make sure that I follow my list here this time. So again, you're building lead generation websites for lead capture, for list building. I want you guys to know that. 3 things when you're building these custom ebooks. I'm going to scroll up and down and you can see how beautiful these come out. Design is awesome. Colors, you can do anything you guys want. Images, live links. And if you're wondering what is a live link, right here, keep your eye on that. You can see how the mouse changes. I have a lot of live links. There's one there. They can actually watch the videos even from the ebook. Keep scrolling down. You can see that I'm just dropping in images, talking about whatever I want to talk about. And again, I'm going to read my list. When you guys create your website, you're creating a lead generation website for lead capture, for list building. 3 things. Keep that in mind. What are the 3 objectives that you guys are trying to do with a website and an ebook? You guys should have a reason why you guys are doing this stuff. Okay, let me keep scrolling down. and you can see more and more of the ebook. And then I know I'm going somewhat fast. I'm trying to get to a certain section. I even have a podcast here. You can see how nice that actually came out. This is old too. I did this a couple of years back. So of course, if I was to go back and change all this stuff, it would look totally different. I'm always changing graphics and all that, but more live links. Oh, I'm catching a cold, I think. And right here, more live links coming down, more images. And right here, we're coming down to the main section, which I do want to show you. Those are beautiful images, funnels, everything that I talk about that they're learning on the ebook. But as we come down here, you can see that I'm coming down to the main page that I call it the resource page. Resources that I use. They can click here. That's going to drive them back to the Smart Profit Money blog. And I'm trying to tell them that here's what they can click on if they want to use the software that I use. And there's the bottom of the ebook right there. Okay, so you can see how cool the design is, and try to compare this to anybody else who's using ebooks or custom software. Very rare to find. So let's go right into the software and I'll show you what I'm actually talking about. And I'm going to go over a list here from 1 to 10 here to show you what this whole video is about also. But I just want to show you really quick so I don't miss anything. Once you create your ebook, watch how easy this is when you hover over and you need that little cool image. There it is. Bam, you got your 3D image. One click, hit generate image, it's yours. Save it, save as PNG, and you guys are done. You can do hardback, you can do paperback. It changes a little bit when you click that. If you saw the little shadow there, right there. And flat. My favorite one is hardback because I like the little 3D image right there. So of course, if you go, these are all my tests. This is the real one here. These are all the test ones I was doing on videos. If we look at this one here, so whatever you do inside when you guys are working, building your ebooks, that's going to be your 3D image. Really cool stuff. That was the one I did a couple years ago on the other video. So keep in mind, there's another video following this, and I show you how I do it in real time. I actually build an ebook super fast. Okay, so if we go inside the editor, let's go inside and I'll show you some really cool stuff as well. As this is loading, let's talk about a few things here. And you can see this crazy control panel. This is crazy stuff here. This is awesome software. It's called Designer. Okay, the owner's name's Paul. He's amazing. And I always wanted, just so you guys know, a software that can build ebooks by using existing content. That's what this does. You heard me right. If you created a bunch of posts, a bunch of pages, and you already wrote about something, it drags all that stuff in here with one click, drops in your URLs, and bam, it creates an ebook with the live images, pictures, you know, the links, all that stuff. And you can see that here. It drags everything in. Now, what you want to do is when you start dragging everything in, watch my other video on that, but you want to like help it format things and move things around just to make sure that it's perfect and it's coming out the way you guys want. But you can see that's the same ebook that I had earlier when I showed you the real PDF. What I wanted to show you here is, if you look over here, it says publish. You see where I'm pointing? One click here, and this is going to Amazon. You're going to click Kindle, and it's going to set it up to where it publishes the Mobi file straight. So when you publish it, it publishes the product as a Mobi, and that goes straight to Amazon, and then your ebook is live on Amazon. You just have to do a few settings and you're all set. So my actual ebook is live on Amazon and it sells all the time. It's amazing. I don't make a killing on it because I'm not even trying to advertise this, but every once in a while it'll tell me you got another sale from Amazon. Super cool stuff. Okay, so now you guys see what I use. You can see all the settings. It's totally just amazing software. So let's go back to here. I just want to make sure you guys understand this, why we're using a little section versus a little tiny opt-in. So you want to always give away something of value. Just keep that in mind. That's going to be your ebook. Keep in mind it has to be a custom ebook. You know I use all this custom stuff. I'm always bringing you the latest and the coolest gadgets out there for making money online or any other business. This will work for swimming pool, landscaping business, anything. Okay, live links inside the ebook has to be what I use. Make sure it has a 3D cover image that you can make. That's what we do here. Now, how this all comes into play here is when somebody opts in, you have your pixel already set up in your website so you can retarget them later on Facebook or Google with paid ads. So that's number 5 and 6. Number 7, you can sell this ebook on Amazon and get more sales there. And your opt-in list right here is basically set up in a section. When I keep saying that section thing, remember, we're not running the little sidebar. I still run the sidebar, but this is more powerful. You need more room to create this sense of value. Hopefully that makes sense. So once this is all set up, you can retarget them also on your email lists. So when somebody opts in here, they automatically go into my autoresponder, which I use Rapid Mailer. I own my own autoresponder. I don't use any more, and the ones that you pay a monthly fee, I switched everything over and I own my own. To learn more about that, go to my resource links and you'll see what I'm saying. I use Rapid Mailer, super cool stuff. Okay, now down to the bottom here, let me read my list here. Why give away a free ebook? I get that question all the time. Why should I give away something free? Because your ebook, if it's set up right, you're getting sales by somebody clicking on those links anyhow. You usually will. I'm not guaranteeing that, but disclaimer there, but it's different for everybody the way you do your actual marketing. Okay, but that's just going to help you get more opt-ins. Remember, this is all about lead generation. Let me go grab my other list here. Lead capture and list building. You got to make sure that when you guys build websites, it's basically the design and structure, because you guys know I build custom blogs. I'm always thinking about design, lead generation to get more business. Lead capture is huge with me, and list building. If you're not building a list, then you're not building a business. List equals business, more sales. All that stuff ties in together. Okay, so that's pretty much what I wanted to show you. Just wanted to make sure that you guys understand why you should give away something free if it's the right product. Okay, they just understand, the whole thing about you. You're telling them who you are instead of them just clicking on this little opt-in that's on the side. So again, if you guys want this blinking gadget here that I create, a little display image, don't forget to click on how I did that. Click on free affiliate opt-in widget, and you guys can use it yourself on your own website. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully this will help you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel or click on the links that come under this video in the description, and I will see you guys on the next video.